Welcome, my darklings. It's about that time of year, some of us may be scratching our heads, struggling to choose a sustainable New Year's resolution. Allow me to guide you. In this video, I'm going to help you choose a resolution. Secondly, to make it sustainable and offer a few examples. I'll also be doing some goth-specific examples. Firstly, make a life audit. Now that involves surveying different aspects of your life, whether that be your health or your wealth or your social life, gauging where you currently are, where you want to be in the future, and then writing down some concrete actions that can help you get to where you want to be. If you join my Patreon as a free member, there'll be a life audit template that you can download and fill in for yourself. The key is to choose one action to put into practice. If you bite off more than you can chew, you're going to set yourself up to fail. Also, you need a specific reason for choosing that action. Don't put something vague like, I want to have money. How much money? What for? Are you saving up for a holiday? Or do you want to get fit and strong at the gym? Again, there needs to be a reason beyond doing something for the sake of it. Are you hoping to restore your health so you can take up a serious sport? Again, think specifically. Consider how much support or accountability you may need. Secondly, making it sustainable. Now you've chosen your specific action to sustain doing for a whole year, which is a long time. Consider the commitment or sacrifices this will require. Is your new habit going to take a big slice out of your leisure time, or is it going to cost money? Are you going to need to buy equipment or pay for a membership? I also have a free budget sheet on my Patreon for you to download. A second similar question to ask is, how much will this meld in or impact against your current lifestyle? Are you trying to add to your existing life, or are you trying to do a complete overhaul and replace bad habits with better ones? Is it going to cut out a lot of your free time? Are you going to have to sacrifice lie-ins or even time with your friends? Thirdly, it shouldn't all be doom and gloom. While sacrifice traditionally relinquishes something good for something better in the future, you don't have to punish yourself during the journey. Find ways to keep it enjoyable, and that will be the key to sustaining it. If you can associate your new resolution with reward, you'll be much more inclined to keep it up. For instance, you could add to an ongoing mood board as your vision becomes more concrete, or perhaps you can reward yourself as you pass certain milestones. That leads us importantly onto my fourth tip in making your resolution sustainable, and that's to break it into smaller chunks. You can do this either via time or break down into smaller tasks. For instance, you want to eat healthier when you have been a chronic fast food binger for most of your life. That's an unrealistic resolution. Most likely you'll live on Caesar salad for 2 weeks, hate every second of it and give up. Break it up into smaller measures of time and small tasks. For instance, once a week, learn a new recipe. That way you're learning a new skill, saving money, and most importantly, taking relevant steps to reach your new resolution. On my Patreon, there is also a free schedule sheet for you to write down your goals and tasks and break it up however you wish. I've got a few specific examples. Notice going forward how I specify what I want, why I want it, and a realistic time frame to achieve it in. It doesn't have to be a full year if you don't want. For instance, I want to save £500 for an HD recording camera to improve my YouTube channel content. Ideally, I want to budget to be able to comfortably afford the camera within 6 months from now. The second example might be you want to declutter your house. So you aim to part with one belonging per day, every day, until you have enough room to host a dinner party in time for your birthday in the autumn. An even simpler resolution would be to increase your water intake to 1 litre per day every day for a year to improve your skin, which will give you a huge confidence boost. I've got some more goth specific resolution ideas too. You could attend more gigs and goth adjacent events, visit more castles and museums and other historic heritage sites, support your local library and get a library card. Or better yet, join my Patreon. There's a book club starting there soon. Support a small business or charity. Pledge a set amount of money each month. subscribe to newsletters, or sign up to a loyalty scheme. Learn a musical instrument. Build the confidence to express yourself or experiment more with fashion and makeup. Well, those are just a few ideas to help get the ball rolling. If you found my video helpful, do hit the like button, and please share your own resolutions in the comments. I would love to hear about them. Do check in with me with how your resolution progress is going. I'm always happy to support a fellow Darkling. I wish you all the best in your endeavours. Do check the description, as my Patreon link is there. You'll find free downloads for everything mentioned. And remember to subscribe for more tips, collections and weird content on my channel. Until next time, take care my Darklings. Bye bye.